How to buy Major League Trading token. So this token came under the symbol of MLT. Now, as you can see, this is their community on X account. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to go and join in their community and engaging with their community. As you can see, they have 800 members. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and as you can see, this it's available on Tick Screener. Now, as you can see, this token is increased by 400% in the last 24 hours, and it's trending right now in the Tick Screener platform. So the liquidity of that token is locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place is in the safe place, of course. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet for that is Phantom Wallet. Now, open your Phantom Wallet. Click on Solve from here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now, after that, click on here and paste the token address. So, as you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. Now, here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see. So, this is how much you receive. Now, after that, click on Provider and select your provider from here. Now, after that, read all of that information here and click on Swap. And you will be redirected to your provider page to complete the buy process. If you find any issue after that, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it. Now, after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MLT, the Major League Trading token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.